Now, before you go, the most common error is missing footage. That could be by renaming a folder or file, or by replacing or moving the file or footage to another location. That's why we always start off by creating folders. Now let's fix this error. Let's say I'm just going to move this file to another location. And now we're receiving a message from Adobe saying it has lost some files. Now we can easily relink it by either way moving the file back to its original folder or relinking this to the new destination. To do this, click on the locate button and then go to the new destination of the file. If you can't find the new destination back, just press the search button and Premiere will search through the selected folder. Another case could be that you have renamed a file or folder. Then uncheck the display only exact name matches to find your new named file. If you have found it, just press enter and you're done. Well, it was the end of this course. Thank you very much for joining. It would be amazing if you could leave a review, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Ciao!